some of the best massage moves for the feet. Pick up the person's ankle and then use your inside hand to wrap around and hold the ankle. If you lean back, you can have a whole nice stretch through the whole length of the leg and the ankle. Then take your top hand and put it on the top of their foot and make like a foot sandwich. So you lean back. Then use your fists to go down the bottom of the foot and across the top of the foot. And then make your sandwich again and draw back. So you're equally massaging the top and the bottom of the foot at the same time. What makes a really good massage is the start and the finish. So make sure you go all the way over the toes and then all the way down over the ankle. And always hold and be still at the end. We teach an amazing course at Jing called Bodywork Beginners for anybody who wants to be an incredible therapist for anybody in your family or make a career out of it. So come check us out.